Hello, my name is Noel Gonzalez, and this is the Backlog workshop for List Your Own Team. This video is a revision of the previous Backlog workshop that we did, where we had multiple user stories. We ended up merging them into one user story, into one bigger user story, and then putting those other user stories as tasks, as was directed to do so. So it's the same thing as before. We're gonna creating the feature for users to add new properties, and they have to receive the notification, and all the acceptance criteria is the same. We also have additional criteria, and we also have the related tasks for further feature, like not features, but further changes to the system. So we know the create forms is more about making sure that the user has full control of the property that they're listing or in the future going to be editing. And we also have the task to make sure that only users can create properties and not just anonymous people sending requests to the API can create properties. So it's the same thing, just merged a bit, and that's it. That's gonna be what we're gonna be working on Sprint 2. And then after that, because I understand this Sprint workshop is for it's for all the sprints. At the end of Sprint 2, we're gonna have to see what we're gonna do next. Like if we see that this needs changes, we'll start working on that, and otherwise we'll be able to make better user stories in the future for Sprint 3 and so on. And that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching.